Sanbonani, Dumelang, Abshini, I'm back again, back with another video. Ikama usabelo, mfana kamdluli, and bafethu, please, before you do anything, before you go any further, please subscribe to your boy, like the video, comment down below, all the shenanigans, yonke lento leyo bafethu. It's easy, it's free, doesn't cost you anything bafethu. Just press on that red button, subscribe, the like button, easy stuff. But bafethu, okay, I've had enough. This rumor started on Saturday. I don't know why the rumor iphume Saturday, why the story broke out on a Saturday, but apparently my man TLB M Bison, the man they call Mbekizile Mbokazi, apparently he's on his way to Chicago Fire in the United States of America. Chicago Fire, MLS, United States of America, Chicago Fire. Le story lesasikazi sisizwa futhi angicala ukuyizwa lento le. This thing of ama links to the US clubs, Orlando Pirates, starting to get out of hand. During the transfer window, the recent transfer window, Mufukeng was linked with a move to Minnesota United in the United States. Wasn't he linked with a move? Then what happened? Was it true? Was it real? Was it fake? Let me tell you something, bafethu. Kelana ukumamela abantu abangazazi indaba. Mark Gleason, Soccer Bets. These are the two publishers that I heard of. Yibo breaking the story list. Mark Gleason is the first one. He's the one who broke this news about Mbokazi, that he's leaving. He's set to go to United States, but Katase US Untwan during the weekend. He was there to do what? To formalize the move. Bafethu, the United States of America transfer window, isn't it close? Isizini iqeda ukuphela mos. Seyivuliwe transfer window yalapha. So, but uzohamba January. Sabathi with story manje, sabathi hi, he's gonna leave in January after the AFCON. First and foremost, why would Pirates sell Mbokazi in the middle of a title race? Why? Secondly, why would Mbokazi go to the United States when the national team manager, Hugo Broos, has said it publicly? I will not choose a player who plays in the MLS. I will not. Hlongwane kambeni ngaye. Hlongwane. Has anyone seen Ubongelithu Hlongwane? He's playing great ngada, but Hugo Broos doesn't rate that league. Then there's Umakhanya. Udlalelani? Philadelphia Union. Yeah, Philadelphia Union. Umakhanya. The left back. Is he in the squad? No, he's not. Why not? Because Hugo Broos does not rate that league. Cassius Mailula. He went to Toronto FC after an exquisite season for his Sundowns. What happened to him? He lost his place in the Bafana team. Hugo Broos akasambizi. Bafethu, stop listening to garbage. Umsangano lo unolalelayo. Mbokazi is not going anywhere. Take it with a pinch of salt and take it with ama vitamins. He is not going anywhere. Stop going ngale narrative ukuthi Mbokazi is going to the United States. No, he's not going to the United States. He's not signing for Chicago Fire. He's not going there to season a livelihood yakhe. He's not going anywhere. In the middle of the title race, are you serious? Why would Pirates sell Mbokazi first and foremost? Like, siyazi ukuthi okay, the money that's been quoted, 50 million. Really? Are you telling me you can't get that amount from another European club? And I'm stressing this out. Mbokazi will not live in the middle of a title race. He will not live in the middle of a AFCON. He will not live, especially when the World Cup will be staged next year. Mbokazi, if the story is true, which I don't believe it's true, if it does move, Wow. Good luck to you. I will never call you Empire Sin if you go to the United States. You've got how many? It's good December, man. It's November, December. You've got literally 6 months. Uselenga 6 months as an Orlando Pirates player. Siyazi ukuthi you're gonna leave mfana kithi. After the World Cup, that's where you go to Europe. Not man, you must States, Chicago. What the fuck? Ngoba kudlala uMessi laphaya. Hayi. Please do. Aniseke ngendaba. Mark, listen. Shut up with your made up stories. Shut up. And lala abantu abagullible lava. Lava abagullible, but hey, they are running with the story that Mbogazi is leaving. Shut the F up. Anazi next. Anazi Luto. Anazi fuck on. It was just a slow weekend. They needed something to pull abantu. It was just a slow weekend. Pirates bengadlali weekend bafethu. Bekudlala Sundowns ne-Chiefs kule weekend. No buzz, no nothing, no excitement. Then guess what? Someone said, let's go with the story. And guess what? It's the leading story. It's trending. Come on. Bafethu, you know where I'm going with this. Mbogazi is not leaving. Stop being gullible. Mbogazi is not leaving Orlando Pirates. He's not going to the United States. He did not go to the United States. Maybe, but maybe it was something else. Maybe got a promoter something. Asaz, shut up. Bafethu, I'm out with the video. Ngiyanicela bafethu, ngicela subscribe, like the video, comment down below. Yonke lento leyo. Mbogazi is not leaving Orlando Pirates. Calm down. I'm out.